Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. And for today, we are going to quick check the new bike from Kespor. I am so excited because today na-receive ko yung new bike and I've been saving up for this one. So today na-receive na natin and quick check na natin. May nag-search ako before sa Facebook and wala akong masyadong vlog na nakikita regarding sa Kespor Ulti Pro. Okay, so by the way, this is Kespor Ulti Pro 2025 model and nabili ko sa Facebook. Okay, so quick check natin. Okay, so let's start with the frame. By the way, this is size medium and this one is titanium frame. Yes, titanium po siya and hopefully this is my end bike. Sabi nga ng friend ko, walang end bike, collect bike. Anyway, so this is size medium na titanium frame. For the wheel set, I believe ay 105 yung hubs and Elite Carbon na 45mm yung rims. Ayan. And naka pillars yung spokes. Ayan. Pillars. And ito ay 24 holes. Yung tire na nakalagay ay Continental Ultra Sport na size 28mm. And this one is also tubeless ready. I am planning to tubeless set up this one. Naghahanap-hanap lang ako ng magandang bar tape, rim tape rather, and sealant na sakto na hindi masyadong mahal. Anyway, let's proceed with the group set. This one is Shimano 105 na 12 speed. Ito po yung bago nila. So this one for the crank arm. For the crank arm, 50 by 34 na 170mm. For the derailleur RD ay 105 din. Straight 105 siya guys. Straight 105. Cassette 11 by 3040 na 12 speed. And for the FD ay 105 din as you can see. Ayan. Okay, so this one is also hydraulic brakes. Ayan, 105 din po siya guys. 105 hydraulic. Sa other parts ng bike, for the fork, seat post, and sa handlebar, full carbon po siya guys. So, sa rims, carbon, fork, carbon, drop bar, also carbon, and the seat post, carbon. So, for me, ay sulit na siya. And ako yung tao na kung maganda na sa stock, ay hindi ko na i-upgrade. Sooner, if ever may budget and may plano akong mag-upgrade, siguro I will upgrade the group set from 105 mechanical to 105 Di2. Okay, so ito yung stock na saddle niya guys. Cell Royal. I am not sure kung Cell Italia magka-same lang sila. Pero may nakaabang ako na saddle from Cell Italia. I am using Cell Italia Comfort Plus. And for the seat post, carbon siya guys. This one is also carbon from Machine 11. Yan. And for the fork, carbon also. Okay? So I think that's it. I am very happy even though hindi ko pa siya na test ride. Pero 2024, way back 2024 last year, ay gusto ko na talagang bumili ng ganitong bike. I am not a brand conscious na tao. So okay lang na kahit hindi kilalang brand, as long as maganda yung parts, okay na sa akin. So I am very happy with this bike. Hopefully, pag hindi na tayo busy ay matest ride na natin ito. Okay, so total weight niya pala guys ay kanina tinimbang ko while unboxing. Without the pedals ay 9 kilos and 35 to 40 kilograms. Without the pedals. So saktong dumating yung mga accessories ko kanina. So I will install the accessories from the speedometer. I am using Magin C506 and Magin radar. Tapos dalawang battle cage, yung isa water and yung isa ay toolbox. And clipless pedals. So after nun, i-weigh ko kung how much total including the accessories. Okay? So later. By the way guys, sound check muna natin yung hub. I am not sure kung Shimano 105 talaga, pero I believe ay Shimano 105 kasi straight Shimano 105. Okay, so sound check. Okay guys, we are done with the setup. Pinagpawisan ako. Anyway, from the cockpit, na-install ko na yung barfly ng Rock Bruce. Na-install ko na yung Magin C506. And sa baba ay may headlight ng Rock Bruce na 800 lumens. Yung old model. Ginamit ko na siya. Sayang naman kasi kung hindi ko gagamitin. Anyway, nagawa ng paraan na may mounting sa baba para stick pa rin tingnan. Clean cockpit tayo sa front. And sa tail, sa likod, na-install ko na yung Magin radar na tail light. And na-install ko na yung Cell Italia Comfort Plus. For the pedals, na-install ko na yung SPD pang mountain bikes. Mas gusto ko yung pang mountain bike kasi mas madali siyang ilakad. Anyway, na-install ko na yung dalawang battle cage from Rock Bruce. This one is the Camelback Podium. And ito yung Zefal na toolbox. Kasama dyan ay may spare tire, patch kit, tire levers, multi-tool, and cash. So actually ito yung mabigat guys. Soon pag may budget tayo and makaluwag-luwag sa oras, papalitan ko ng tubeless. Or I will try the TPU tubes, yung magagaan. Anyway, so going back, i-weigh natin. Before, nag-weigh siya ng 9 kilos and 35 kilos, 9.5. So today with the accessories and all, weigh natin ulit. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Yung reading natin ay 10.85. So nadagdagan siya ng 1.5 kilos. So I don't mind na madagdagan siya ng 1 kilo kasi importante naman yung linalagay natin. Anyway, hoping na mas gumaan siya if ever mapalitan na natin yung interior. ng TPU tubes or tubeless. Okay, so I think that's it guys. Test ride ko very soon.